So when dealing with the sizes of the kits, I try to keep these straw containers relatively basically the same size as what I want to put them in, and I always measure them out kind of beforehand. But when you have like little itty bitty tins like this, you can actually cram quite a few of these straws inside. This one particular, I keep from going this direction. You can make the individual sizes that will go this direction, but I find that putting them in here lengthwise is a little bit more. It's a little bit more easier to grab. But when you do the smaller EDC kits, you usually have your big EDC kit, your everyday carry kit. But when you do miniature ones, you actually have a little bit more freedom on the sizing that you can do. You can put straws in there like this, or even lengthwise, and so that you can do cotton ball full length cotton one in there. But I typically try to keep the sizes within the parameters of these, and I do that even with my bigger kits. When you do bigger kits, you don't want to make them too big. You can do things like the honey, the long sticks of honey, that are the full straw. Those are pretty cool and stuff. But when you do things like, seasoning packets or oil and stuff, you want to keep them relatively carryable and lightweight. Your big ones, though, and this one actually has empty ones in them. But yeah, you can see they won't fit this way, but you can put quite a few in there lengthwise. This one's really good for your big kits, carry your things that you need, like your pen and paper and your little tools, or even your plastic bag and stuff like that, your plastic produce bag. So when dealing with your sizes, yeah, you always want to have your container with you before you start making these, unless you're just gonna throw them in a pocket of a backpack or whatever. But yeah, knowing the size of the straw containers beforehand, really useful. There's a tip for you guys. Thank you for watching. This is Al Whitney.